Good morning, Verna. Clay Rivenbark here at Tameron, Honda-Hoover. Thank you so much for your interest in our selection of 2018 and 2017 Toyota Camrys. As you can see, I've got them out here. They're going to be all in great shape. They're going to come with that 90-day warranty, and they're going to be still inside of the manufacturer's warranty. Come on over and take a look. This one right here is a 2018 Toyota Camry LE. It's got that new aggressive styling right here off the front. Great set of aluminum wheels, and this one happens to be in that cardinal red with that beautiful tan interior. So with this one, you're going to have all the apps available from N2, which is Toyota's application systems for integrating into your cell phone, backup camera, Bluetooth, and look at all this space back here. Tons of room back here in the back seat. Now this vehicle is going to get close to 35 miles to the gallon on the highway, so you'll be saving a ton of money on fuel. Back here in the trunk, let me pop this. You got tons of storage space for all those things you need to carry. Now, Toyota's safety features are going to include your lane departure warning as well as your forward collision mitigation system. So this car will stop itself in the event it's going to hit something, as well as have the automatic bright headlights. So it's going to detect the car coming on, turn your brights on and off so you're not blinding anybody when you're driving down the road. Verna, what I need you to do is give me a call, shoot me a text, or reply to this email. My name's Clay Rivenbark. I'm out here at Tameron, Honda-Hoover. And I can promise you this, Verna. When you come to Tameron, Honda-Hoover, we do business one way. That's the right way. You're going to love the country.